Good morning, student. Today I will teach you reproduction in animals. All living things produce young ones of their own kind. What is reproduction? This process by which a living thing produces a young one like itself is called reproduction. In simple words, reproduction is the creation of new living things. Animals reproduce mainly in two ways: by giving birth, second by laying eggs. By laying eggs, some animals reproduce by laying egg. Their young one, which hatch out from the egg, undergo a series of changes before they become adult. These change or stages that like place in the development of an animal from the egg stage to the adult stage is called the life cycle. Birds, amphibians, fishes, insects and reptiles are the some animals which reproduce by laying eggs, by giving birth to young ones. Animals that give birth directly to their young ones are called mammals. The young ones of mammals develop inside the body of the mother. The mother then gives the birth to young ones. Cat, dogs, lion, tigers, cows, elephant are some animals which give birth to their young ones. Human beings are also mammals and give birth to their young ones directly. The duck-billed platypus and spiny anteaters are the only mammals that they lay eggs instead of giving birth to young ones. Animals that lay eggs. Most animals other than mammals reproduce by laying eggs. They are either left to the hatch out in the sun or buried in the sand or incubated by the parent sitting on it. The development baby, which are called embryo, get its food and it's protected by the different layers in the egg. First, structure of the egg. The inside of bird's egg consists of a yellow substance at the center of the egg. This yellow substance is called the egg yolk. The baby bird develops inside the egg yolk. This developing baby bird is called the embryo. The yolk provides food to the embryo for development. A white substance between the outer shell and the egg yolk is called albumin or egg white. Albumin protects the developing embryo and provides it with water. When the baby bird is fully developed, it breaks out the egg. The breaking out of the baby bird from the egg is called hatching. Thanks.